This is a quick overview of the O-Pile system. The O-Pile system is a simple sheet piling system. As you can see, it requires pipes and specially constructed, extra strong ball and socket connectors known as WOM, weld-on male, and WOF, weld-on female. Pipes can be locally sourced almost anywhere in the world and are readily available as a domestic steel option in the United States. iSheetPile will configure the O-Pile system in accordance with your required load-bearing capacity and durability needs. Many of the O-Pile systems that we configure are available for immediate shipment, and hence you can start driving the O-Pile system within a week or two of placing an order. iSheetPile can help you dial in the specific diameter or steel grade and match any other characteristic you may need. We can then ensure that you are quickly supplied a guaranteed delivered price that will meet your performance specifications. There's nothing new about driving pipes. What is new is the knowledge that you can use the O-Pile system as a pipe sheet pile system with readily available materials in higher steel grades than hot-rolled Z sheet pile or combined sheet pile alternatives. The O-Pile system has been used on numerous jobs both in the United States and around the globe. For instance, the United States Army Corps of Engineers and the United States Navy have used it in a recent construction project at the naval base in Point Loma, California. On Vancouver Island, off the western coast of Canada, the O-Pile system was used to install a retaining wall in pure rock. Here, the O-Pile system was used instead of the originally specified HZM system in Port Manila, in the capital of the Philippines. Along with many other jobs in Japan, the O-Pile system was used to put up an emergency retaining wall in front of the Fukushima power plant. Even in Russia, the O-Pile system is recognized by government standards known as GOST, and it was used as the preferred port-building O-Pile system for the Sochi Olympics, along with building highway abutments. One of the most important attributes of the O-Pile system, beyond that it can be installed in any type of ground condition, is that you can use the preferred sacrificial steel method for corrosion protection versus costly alternatives of coating and cathodic protection. This is easily done by making the top 15 feet of the system, when it is used in salt water, much thicker, whereas the bottom 70 or 80% of the system can be just thick enough to cover the load-bearing capacity at a much lower corrosion rate. The North American Steel Sheet Piling Association has the corrosion guidelines that say typically it takes 100 years to eat through 7.5 millimeters of steel, thus representing a minimal steel loss in the splash and low water zone, while the rate in salt water when not in those areas is 3.5 millimeters per 100 years. Let's suppose that you need to have an O-Pile system with a minimum of about ½ an inch or about 12 millimeters. You can dial in the diameter and the steel grade of the pile to meet your load-bearing capacity via our iSheetPile website. Separately, then you can dial in the top 15 feet and you can make the internal diameter thicker to thus meet the durability concerns. Please contact us with any heavy Z sheet pile wall or combined sheet pile wall system that you would like us to assist you on, and have us point out how much more cost-effective the readily available O-Pile system can be. Don't pay sky-high pricing, don't toe the line. Buy local, readily available steel for your project. Call iSheetPile and we'll configure a solution that meets your delivery needs regardless of load-bearing and durability requirements.